let's have a look at these RCBOs, residual currency circuit breakers or overload protectors or whatever. So they do both a circuit breaker and an RCD in one. So to test them, you just press, it simulates an earth fault and it should trip off. And obviously each circuit is protected individually, so if one goes off, you've still got others. So if you need to replace one, obviously you've got to take these two screws out and get into the board. I'll do that now. First of all, obviously I'm going to make sure it's safe, all the electrics off. Might as well strip them all down. Use insulated tools. I haven't got insulated tools, but you need insulated tools really if you're working on this sort of thing. So that's come straight off. You've got to be careful in here. I've already tested between live, neutral and earth with my multimeter, so I know everything's safe below here. But don't be touching anything. You've got to be careful. This one's got an old style bigger RCBO in. I'll just try it on this, try and remove this one on this side. I need to get in there properly with two-handed. Okay, we've removed the wires from the top, the neutral and the lives. We've undone the bottom from the rail. And we've undone the pin at the back. That just pops down with a screwdriver and it should just lift free. That is it. I'm going to do the neutral as well at the board. Forgot about that one. I'll just remove that now. I've just got it on the side now. I've got it set to continuity buzzer. It's off. I've got the live to the live. So if the circuit breaker function works, it should beep. So the RCD trips, the brake is fine. There's nothing wrong with that. It's a good circuit breaker and RCBO.